Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today we're going to be making lemongrass tea. If you've only ever had lemongrass tea from the little tea bags, I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch today. So you can pick up some lemongrass at your store. If you can't find it in your regular market, you might try an Asian market and see if they've got it. So I'm going to set a couple of these aside. I've pre-washed these already and we'll take it down. I'm going to cut the bottom of it off. I'm going to take the top of the little leaves here and we'll cut those off as well. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it into sections so I can get it put into a pot. You can notice that it's really woody and kind of hard to cut. Now that I've got my lemongrass cut up, if you've got a mortar and pestle, you can actually take the little mortar that's out of that and you can use that to bang it, or you can use a meat cleaver. And what we're going to do at that point is you just want to kind of tap it to kind of break it a little bit to release some of that oil that's in your lemongrass. You can definitely smell the lemon that's in that. So now we're going to put that into a little saucepan, and with that we're going to add 3 cups of water, or about 700 milliliters. Now we're going to put this on heat and bring it up to a boil. Once your lemongrass comes up to a boil, set a timer for 5 minutes. Once the timer goes off, put a lid on your pot, set the setting on your stove to the lowest setting it will go, set a timer for 10 minutes and let it steep. Now that your tea is finished steeping, remove your lemongrass. Now we're going to strain the tea. We've got a sifter and a glass container. Make sure that it is heat resistant. For hot tea, add just a little bit of honey to a glass. Pour your tea. If you want it chilled, add some ice. 2 great ways to have lemongrass tea: hot with a little honey or some ice. I hope you've enjoyed this content. If you have, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now. Delicious.